supreme, an exciting dream, an angel standing by my side.